For an athlete to stay in the best shape, to avoid injury or to manage one, or to stay in the right frame of mind, the role played by a sports therapist, fitness expert or doctor is absolutely crucial. Let's take a look at how these professionals can help an athlete achieve his goals on the field.
One of the fastest growing careers in the sports industry is one that is extremely specialized, niche and vital to the sporting environment in the country. Sports science and medicine. Sports science and medicine involves applying scientific and medical principles to sports and physical exercise that allows the body to perform better physically. A sports therapist, doctor or scientist studies the physiology and biomechanics of an athlete and trains, advises and mentors them so that they can maximize their physical strengths and perform at their best. If this sounds too technical or complex, let me break it down for you. This athlete is a tennis player. He works with his therapist regularly, ironing out his physical weakness and building his strength. Sports therapists and doctors are able to train athletes in such a way that they are able to play and perform to the best that they can. And that is a science. Body type, weight, muscle power are all worked on so that this athlete can serve his fastest serve possible. Simple yet complex, right? Using their medical knowledge and know how sports science doctors and therapists also work in injury management and prevention, ensuring that an athlete heals properly as well as strengthening the athlete so that they don't get hurt in the first place. In India, sports science and medicine is still developing. Surprisingly, there are few institutes and centers in the country that work with athletes in this manner. But the need is there and the scope even greater.
The awareness of sports sciences is lacking. So the biggest challenge right now is to get sports federations, sports bodies, sportsmen to recognize that there is something called as a sports sciences.
Sports science and medicine is a field that is not only focused on an athlete's physical well-being, but their mental state too. And to further work on their athlete's ideology and mindset, come in sports psychologists. Studying how psychology and an athlete's mental and emotional state can help his or her performance.
A sports psychologist enhances an athlete's performance or a team's performance based on the fact that the performance is affected by emotional state. So now an athlete's emotional state can also affect the performance, and the emotional state evoked by the performance can also affect the athlete. So this combination, the correlation which is there, how to manage that and how to control that. So that all comes about when an athlete becomes self-aware.
Therefore, there are a host of people including therapists, doctors, fitness experts and psychologists that work in the sports industry and have direct contact and interaction with the athletes. While their work and careers are clear-cut abroad, India is still finding its feet in the same. As the government and sporting bodies slowly realize, understand and strengthen their ideal of improving the sporting environment in the country, sports science and medicine remains a field that is unexplored, but one of the cusp of great improvement and progress.
On that note, we will wrap up today's show. With camera person Jitin Bhutani and Mohammad Arif, this is Abhishek Singh for NDTV.